How to clean your washing machine, whether it's front load or top load, using simple steps and common household items. Step 1. Clean the drum. Start by cleaning the inside drum. For this, you'll need 2 cups of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of baking soda. Front loaders. Add baking soda to the detergent tray and pour vinegar into the drum. Run a hot water cycle. Top loaders. Add both vinegar and baking soda directly to the drum, then start a long hot wash cycle. Step 2. Clean the detergent tray. Remove the detergent tray and soak it in warm water mixed with vinegar. Scrub off any buildup using an old toothbrush. Step 3. Clean the door seal. Use a cloth soaked in vinegar to wipe around the rubber door seal. This is where mold and dirt often hide. Step 4. Clean the filter. Most machines have a small filter near the bottom. Unscrew it, clean out any debris or lint, and rinse under running water. Reminder: keep a towel handy to catch any water when opening the filter. Step 5. Wipe exterior. Finally, wipe down the exterior of your machine using a mild cleaner or vinegar solution. Maintenance tips. To keep your machine fresh, clean it once a month. Leave the door open after each wash. Use the right amount of detergent. And that's it. A clean washing machine means cleaner clothes and a longer machine life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.